Just the metal. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to the LZ compound. I don't know if he's gonna put the clips of me driving the car in the trailer before this or after this, but that's why we're loading up the Hot Boy. We're gonna go up there. I was so busy doing chasing stuff, I forgot we had to go, but we're loaded. We're gonna try to be early. We're gonna head up there, do some driving at the LZ compound with the YouTube boys. Let's go. So LZ's having all the YouTubers there this week driving. They all drive an E36, but I don't have an E36. Didn't have time to buy one or find one that I could afford. So we're gonna go drive the Hot Boy car. We're gonna piss them off a little bit because my car's faster and it's loud and it's noisy, you know, but whatever. We're gonna go have a good time at the YouTubers Olympics 2. Here, we're late. Not late because we're late, we're just late because it's dark. The cars sound pretty loud, so I don't think I'm gonna get yelled at now, but I probably will get yelled at later by Adam because hear that? So yeah. We got the Sean Booth escort on the scooter out here. You know, us RB guys gotta stay together, so. Look, he has a grid worker. Adam has a damn grid worker. It's lit. I'm mad he got a grid worker. You got somebody on grid? I guess. That's me.
Trying to drift that with a bunch of clappers around? This guy.
Stayed away from you.
You're brave. I'm trying to crash into people.
Exactly. That's why I'm staying away from you. Yeah.
You brought this? Yeah. That's not an E36. You're not allowed to be here.
Give me the keys to this whip.
Stop it. Hey, Booth, why aren't you driving yours? Your car. I'm going to be out there like this. Yes, sir. This is a BMW.
You brought the wrong car.
That's all I got.
Looking E36,
Listen,
bro.
I can hear you guys.
You should go take all your arrow off right now.
No, this is how it gets driven. As long as you. Well, I don't want to do it.
He's trying to flex right now.
Yeah. You got to drive it.
Right.
Hey, you know who you're dealing with over here?
25?
The Nova?
Yeah, you don't pull up.
Come on, bro. I'm not driving with him. Him and Rodney.
You won't have a choice.
They're like ready to just destroy.
I've been strip club rules. Flip but don't touch. I got him with his clutches.
First lap. Going with my dog Donnie. The KAT life. First lap and I heard something tumbling in the back and I forgot. I installed this. I was gonna install it and I just left it in there. It was like doo doo doo. Look at it now.
Damn.
We got Sean. He's gonna do one more. He said his foot came off the gas. KBD, baby. Lit. Hey!
That was hard. I'm like, damn.
Oh yeah. It's a pretty wild track, because especially how you end the car and you don't know where we're going.
Yep.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah, I was not expecting that.
You were out here board sliding the car.
That's what I'm trying to do.
You gotta put skid plates. We gotta start making titanium skid plates. It's smart.
Let's do a solo. I guess she doesn't want to go.
Okay.
Oh wow, I didn't see that's my little tent. It's hot. Oh well. Yeah, I gotta go home. Adam said my car's too loud, so we're gonna reroute the wastegate, and I brought a muffler with me because he pre-warned me if my car's too loud I can't drive late with everybody else. So we're gonna whip this up real quick. Hopefully like an hour I can route my wastegate back into the exhaust, and I can put on a vibrant resonator so the car can be tits. It's gonna be so quiet. Of course we got the Bluetooth helping us. And KBD's great for that right there, see that? See how easy I fixed that? Don't mind the paint, guys. This just lets you know that I use it. First step into putting this downpipe into the, oh sh.
Don't break now.
I'm trying to, but I gotta loosen it first. Otherwise I keep banging your blade. Yeah, so we're gonna cool it down a little bit. And if you go over there and look, you can see how close it is already, so this shouldn't take us long at all. It's going good. We're making good progress. But I can tell you this clamp is not going to be happy. You got to make sure it's in the same spot that it's supposed to be. And then there's that piece down he made for me. something like that. Alright, I guess now I should probably take the mask. Why is it so slow? My car's not heavy enough. Alright, the party stopped, but my welding didn't stop, so I gotta finish up. Probably gonna still go out there and get 2 laps, see how it sounds with the wastegate rerouted. It should sound a lot better and smoother, and none of that. Let's go. We out of that tax bracket. Cool. So I actually like the wastegate rerouted. Actually sounds really good. You can hear the car better. You're not just hearing a bunch of noise. I wouldn't say it feels more responsive, but it makes me feel like I'm being more responsive when I'm driving. So now all my RTEC manifolds, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna reroute the wastegate because it definitely sounds better. We're gonna call it a night there. We're gonna head home. Tomorrow we probably be at the compound, so look out for another video. I'll see you guys. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget.